out in Colmar where the maples sway. Sits at home with somewhere but a whole lot of sway. She's got good bones and a big old yard, just needs a little elbow grease and a contractor's card. It'll take some fixing, maybe walls and floors, but she's worth every nail and a whole lot more. With homes around her selling high and wide, this one's a sleeper on the value ride. Down on Anthony Drive. Down on Anthony Drive. Down on Anthony Drive. Down on Anthony Drive. In-law suite with its own front door, full kitchen, bath, what a space to restore. The main house needs love, but the space is there for a dream come true with a little care. It's not moving ready, but the dream's alive. You just gotta see past the 75. Bring your vision and your toolkit, pride and